Things I would do if I started digital marketing, part 2. I would recognize that people don't give a poop about me or my product until they know, like, and trust me. I'd set myself up to take taxes out of every single purchase. I would call myself something other than a coach. I would be offering more products than just a $497 course to introduce myself to my customers. I would recognize that the majority of people do not come on this app typing in digital marketing as a solution to wanting to make money at home. And I would gear my marketing in a different direction. I would not go into someone's DMs uninvited and try to pitch my products. I would expect 0 sales for the first 90 days. I would market this product to anyone but stay-at-home moms. I would recognize that I'm trying to sell a product that is $300 to $500, and that is an investment for people, and I need to market it as such. I would recognize that there are others on this app who have social proof. They have helped others scale businesses or growth, and they are selling masterminds, 12-week masterminds, for less than what the other courses are, and take that into consideration. I would be setting aside money for advertisements. I would be marketing on a bunch of other social media places. If this video helped you at all, please give it a like, a share, and a follow. If you have any questions, put them in the comments so we can talk.